If you're a developer at wala ka pang mga side hustles or wala ka pang ibang pinagkakabalahan aside sa full-time work mo, you're probably missing out. Saan ka nagbi-miss out? Probably missing out on all the opportunities, and you're probably underestimating the potential of the tech industry, especially in terms of earning as a developer. And that separates coders from builders. If you're just a coder, you're doing work as a developer na parang ticket after ticket lang. May learning, yes, pero minimal. While yung mga builders kasi, na ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon, I build products, I build while I learn, I build in different technologies, especially in AI and Web3 or blockchain. Kaya right now, aside dun sa mga side hustles na mga client projects, and aside dun sa full-time, I'm also earning in bounties, hackathons, and yung mga pasulpot-sulpot na clients na 1 week, 2 weeks project. And monthly, I roughly earn 200 to 400,000 per month. So very fluctuating siya. Pero at least, aside from just coding every day na halos wala ka masyadong natututunan, you get to learn more, you get to earn more, and hopefully in the future, you will have a product of your own. You will have a team. You will have a company of your own. So that's what separates a builder from a coder. And it starts with side hustles. At ito ang bonus. We're actually building a community called Arweave Philippines. So it's blockchain related, and main focus is for developers to be builders, to build their own products in the blockchain, in Web3, in the crypto industry. And doon tutulungan namin yung mga coders to be builders, build your own products, join hackathons, and may help din, may assistance, may guidance pagdating sa mga fundraising, paghanap ng mga grants, para mapondohan yung mga initiatives nyo. So to join the community, punta ka lang sa bio ko, nandyan yung link ng Linktree, tapos makikita mo yung Arweave Philippines dyan. Click mo lang to join our Telegram group. So yun lang, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!